Hi everyone, this is Russell Adoye Brown. Today I'll be teaching you on divide and conquer technique. Divide and conquer technique is a powerful problem solving strategy used in computer science. It involves breaking down a complex problem into smaller and manageable parts. Each part is solved individually. The solutions from the smaller parts are combined to solve the original problem. Divide and conquer technique is broken down into three major parts. Number one, divide. Number two, conquer. And number three, combine. Divide. This is where we divide the original problem into subproblems of the same type. Number two, conquer. This is where we solve the subproblems recursively. And number three, combine. This is where we merge our solutions to provide the overall solutions for our original problem. Now, here is an implementation of a function. This function multiplies two matrices X and Y using recursion, assumes valid matrix dimension. Now, matrix multiplication uses the divide and conquer technique. In the first structure here, we check if the matrix can be multiplied by checking the matrix dimensions. Now, we all know from our high school math that for us to be able to multiply matrices, or for us to be able to perform dot product, the inner dimensions must match, while the outer dimensions will be the result of the matrix multiplication. Now, in the first implementation, we check if the dimension is a match and return dimension mismatch if it's not a match. Then next, we initialize the results of the matrix with zeros. Next, we create a recursive function, and this function helps compute the matrix multiplication. Next, we use the for loop to work on the rows and columns. Then we check out the implementation of our function. Now let's try it. Wonderful. Let's see if we change this implementation here from X to an X and see if it will still work. Yeah, it does work. And this is because our X matrix is a squared matrix. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. When multiplying squared matrix, the inner dimensions matches, so it satisfies our condition. Now let's try the other matrix, Y, capital letter Y, and Y. Let's put a comma here so that it doesn't give us an X. All right, let's test it out. It says dimension mismatch, invalid matrix dimension. All right, let's check if we flip, if this will work if we flip. Usually in our arithmetic, we remember the commutative law, that if something flips and gives the same result, then we say it is commutative. So let's try this. Wow, matrix multiplication is not commutative. So let's go back to our first implementation, x, comma, y, and let's run it. Wow, it does work. Thank you. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe and click on the notification when we produce another video. You'll be the first to know. Thank you.